Hello, this is Derek, and here we have a program to find the greatest of three numbers. So, in this program, we have a public class known as greatest. Inside that, we have a method called main, which is static method, and a static scanner object to take the input from the system. So here we are accepting integers into these integer variables a, b, and c, and then here we are checking that which number is the greatest by using this algorithm. If a is greater than b, then it's checking if a is greater than c, then print a, else print b, else print c. So the output is somewhat like this. If we enter numbers, we got the output 8, which is the correct output. So another program is of palindrome, right? The palindrome will check that if a number is a palindrome or not. So inside the main we have taken a variable n to store the number, and then variables remainder 10 and number. So while the number is greater than 0, we'll take out the remainder of the number by actually we are taking out the last digit of the number by modulo dividing it by 10, and then we are multiplying the 10 and we are adding the remainder so that we could reverse the number, and then we are shortening the number by dividing it by 10, and then if the stem is equal to the original number from here, then we'll print out its palindrome, else we'll print out not palindrome. So let's check running this. If we do 131, it's palindrome, but again if we are doing 123, not palindrome. So now we'll go to another program. This is pattern printing. So we are using two for loops, a for loop inside a for loop. This is called a nested for loops. So we have variables here I and j. So from 1 to 5 and from j0 to I, this asterisk will be printed. So the output will be somewhat like this. Yeah. And then to find the prime we have another program. And here we have a control flag 0, and this is a variable we're just taking the number to check that it is prime or not. So we are using a for loop till the square root of that number, and if that number is divisible by 2 or greater, and then till the square root of the number, then this counter will be incremented, and if the counter is 0, we'll print out that the number is prime, else we'll print out the number is not prime. So let's run and see this. If I'm giving a number, say 5, so 5 is a prime number. Again, if I'll give a number 24, it's not a prime number because it is divisible by so many other numbers. If I'll give 13, prime number. So here's another program to sum out the numbers. So how many numbers we want to sum, we will enter number 1, 4, and 2. So we get the sum 7. So this program has a for loop. Sorry for this. It runs till n, N is that enter in when we run the program, we take it from the user, and how many inputs he has to give. And then we are just adding that input of the numbers, the user is adding again, and then we are just printing the sum.